In the realm of splendor and extravagance associated with luxury real estate, there is a mansion that can be found in the center of Bel Air, which is located in the city of Los Angeles. The property known as The One, which was built by Niall Naomi, is not merely a home. Rather, it is a masterpiece that establishes brand new benchmarks for opulence and refinement. It has held the title of the most expensive mansion in the world, with a price tag that has soared above $340 million, and it has enticed the imaginations of those who have the wherewithal to indulge in the pinnacle of luxury living. Let's start, but first subscribe to our channel for more. A universe filled with beautiful interiors. The interiors of The One are truly remarkable and cannot be compared to anything else. The expansive 105 square feet that make up this home give its occupants an incredible amount of room in which to roam about and discover new things. The interior design is a monument to opulent living with exquisite attention to detail obvious in every space. This attention to detail is evident in the interior design. Living areas fit for a king and queen. The living quarters of the mansion are expansive and finely built. They provide a high level of both comfort and style at every turn. The flooring and walls are adorned with opulent materials such as marble and rare woods, while the towering ceilings create an atmosphere that is both spacious and grand. Extravagant display of entertainment. The entertainment value of The One is elevated to an entirely new level. Inside, you'll find a nightclub that is on par with some of the most famous in the world. It will have a DJ booth and a dance floor for your enjoyment. In addition to that, there is a private movie theater, a bowling lane, and a wine cellar that would make even the most discriminating connoisseur ecstatic. Luxurious facilities and services, the mansion sees to the tenants each and every requirement and desire. It has a number of swimming pools, both indoors and out, which makes it possible to enjoy water activities throughout the entire year. Residents of Southern California are able to experience the magic of a winter wonderland year-round because to the existence of indoor ice skating rinks. A lavish beauty salon and spa provide guests with the opportunity to be pampered and unwind, while an expansive 30-car garage houses an impressive assortment of high-end autos, craftsmanship of the highest order. It is impossible to overstate the level of craftsmanship and attention to detail that was put into the mansion. In order to make a room that exudes the utmost level of luxury and of detail, from the ornate moldings to the bespoke fittings, was overlooked in the design process. Views in every direction. The One provides a tranquil setting for a life of pleasure by offering spectacular panoramic views of Los Angeles and the Pacific Ocean. Magnificence in architectural design. The One is a work of architectural genius that successfully combines contemporary aesthetics and classic elegance. In addition to its sleek lines and modern architecture, the building's outside facade is also notable for its sheer scale and dimensions, which help to make it an iconic presence in the affluent area of Bel Air. The home is an excellent example of the ingenuity and refinement required in architectural design. Interiors with an artistic flair. To produce an atmosphere of unrivaled luxury within The One, each and every element has been painstakingly selected and arranged. The interior areas are ornamented with works of art of the highest caliber, furniture and textiles of the highest quality, and custom-made fixtures and fittings. Each room is its own individual work of art, boasting one-of-a-kind architectural details that are both aesthetically pleasing to the viewer and evocative of the lavish lifestyle. The luxurious master bedroom. The master bedroom serves as a haven of peace and lavishness for its occupants. Not only does it provide spectacular views, but it also features a huge hideaway replete with a lavish bedroom, sitting area, and an extravagant bathroom that is outfitted with the finest fixtures and materials. It comes with its own private wing. Walk-in closets that are evocative of upscale stores offer plenty of space for a sizable clothes collection. Excellence in culinary craftsmanship and gourmet dining. The One provides a state-of-the-art kitchen that is stocked with the most up-to-date appliances and technology for those guests who place a premium on gastronomic pleasures. This kitchen is the ideal setting for expressing your culinary imagination, regardless of whether you are an experienced cook or simply love dining at gourmet restaurants. The overall dining experience is enhanced by the presence of formal dining rooms that are furnished with beautiful chandeliers and space for large gatherings. Health and unwinding are priorities. In addition to providing opulent entertainment options, The One places a strong emphasis on wellness and relaxation. The spa and exercise facilities are among the best in the world, and they include a steam room, a massage area, and a fully equipped gym. Residents are encouraged to relax and enjoy the warm California weather by taking advantage of the many swimming pools, one of which is an infinity pool with a waterfall that cascades down the side. Technology and environmental responsibility. In addition to lavishness, The One takes into account contemporary concerns regarding the environment and advances in technological innovation. Smart home automation systems allow people to control the lighting, climate, security, and entertainment in their homes, providing them with the highest possible level of convenience and peace of mind. Oasis in the open air. The outdoor areas of the estate are every bit as stunning as the interiors of the building. Residents have access to the ideal environment for unwinding and enjoying themselves outside thanks to the meticulously maintained gardens, verdant landscaping, and big outdoor seating areas. The expansive terraces have breathtaking vistas of Los Angeles, making them an excellent choice for holding opulent get-togethers or simply taking in a peaceful sunset. A world of luxury that is unrivaled in its class. The One is its own world, a domain of luxury that goes beyond the mundane and establishes new benchmarks for what is possible for the world of residential real estate. The features and amenities it provides cater to every facet of a luxurious way of life, from relaxation and well-being to relaxation and enjoyment. It caters to every part of an extravagant lifestyle. Extravagant display of entertainment. When it comes to providing an entertaining experience, the One spares no money. In addition to the nightclub, bowling alley, and private cinema that were discussed before, this house also features a specialized sports court where occupants are able to participate in a wide variety of sporting pursuits. Recreational opportunities are virtually limitless. Choose from activities such as shooting hoops, playing tennis, or participating in a game of your own devising. The holy grail for wine experts. Wine lovers are going to fall in love with the wine cellar that is located in the One. This sanctuary, which maintains a constant temperature, is home to a vast collection of great wines sourced from all over the world. It is not merely a place to store wine, rather is an immersive experience for individuals who value the winemaking and tasting arts. Outdoor living at a higher level. The outdoor living space at the One is every bit as opulent as the spaces found inside. Multiple outdoor eating areas, each of which is outfitted with gourmet outdoor kitchens, create the ideal environment for enjoying meals and entertainment in the fresh air. The serene and elegant atmosphere is created by the professionally planted gardens, water features, and sculptures throughout the property. Accommodations for the guests. The guest rooms at the One are on par with those found in the most luxurious hotels in the world, making them ideal for entertaining friends, family, or VIP guests. Each and every guest will feel like royalty while staying in these luxurious accommodations since they offer all the conveniences and seclusion they could ever ask for. Unrivaled perspectives. The One is located in the exclusive district of Bel Air, and from its perch there, it takes in panoramic views that range from the urban landscape of Los Angeles to the expansiveness of the Pacific Ocean. The views from this home are a constant source of awe, whether it's taking in the glittering city lights at night or watching stunning sunsets. The views never cease to amaze. Icon status and a lasting legacy. The magnificence of the One is only one of many reasons why it has become an icon in the realm of luxury real estate. It is a monument to the endless possibilities of design and luxury, as well as the zenith of architectural achievement, and it serves as the pinnacle of architectural success. An inheritance of splendor. A statement of richness, elegance, and excess. The One is more than just a mansion in terms of its design and furnishings. It is an example of what may be accomplished when one has access to an unlimited amount of resources and a creative vision. Despite the fact the real estate market can be volatile and properties like this may trade hands or go through renovations, the One continues to be an iconic representation of the most lavish homes around the world. This finishes our today's video. Also subscribe to our channel for more.